Today, I'm breaking down a Senate Judiciary hearing that felt more like a courtroom drama than a standard quanda. Senator John Kennedy went straight for the jugular, grilling Judge DeAndrea Gist Benjamin over some jaw-dropping bond decisions. If you like legal fireworks, you're in the right place. Let's start with the Albertus Lewis case. Picture this: Lewis is accused of shooting his girlfriend in the head, rolling her out in a wheelchair, and leaving her at a hospital. Kennedy didn't mince words. He shot his girlfriend in the head. Is that correct? Judge Benjamin coolly replied, "Those are the allegations, Senator. He has not been convicted."
Thank you, Senator Booker. Senator Kennedy.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Judge, congratulations.
Thank you.
I want to try to understand the facts on some of these cases.
Yes, sir.
The Albertus Lewis case. He shot his girlfriend in the head. Is that correct?
Senator, as I stated, I'm not sure if you were in here earlier, that case is still pending. He's not been convicted of any of those charges. And so I have to be really careful in how I frame my question.
Did he shoot his girlfriend in the head?
Senator, based on, those are the allegations of the charge, yes.
So you're saying he didn't shoot his girlfriend in the head?
He has not been convicted of anything, is my understanding. And I know it's a very old case. It's 2017.
But Kennedy pressed harder. But you gave him bond, right? Judge Benjamin explained she first denied bond, but after the state blew past deadlines and violated discovery rules, she was forced by law to grant it 2 years later. Sounds complicated, but it gets worse. After his release, Lewis was accused of trying to murder 2 sheriff's deputies, using a baby as a human shield. Kennedy slammed her. Would he have been able to do that if you hadn't let him go? Benjamin stood her ground. The state violated the court's order. I had to act based on the law. Kennedy wasn't buying it.
Granted him bond. Did you think he had shot his girlfriend in the head? He was charged with shooting his girlfriend in the head, wasn't he?
Thank you, Senator.
You're welcome.
Those are the allegations. When he initially appeared before me,
okay,
I denied his bond based on everything.
Let me start over. Okay. Mr. Lewis was charged and arrested, so presumably there was probable cause, with shooting his girlfriend in the head and putting her body in a wheelchair and dumping her outside the hospital. Those were the allegations. Is that right?
I believe those were the allegations, yes, sir.
Okay. And you gave Mr. Lewis bond. Is that right?
No, that's incorrect, Senator. I denied his bond. When he appeared before me in July of 2017.
So you didn't give him bond? He didn't release him?
I denied his bond. It was 2 years later.
Did you ultimately release him?
2 years later, after the state violated the court's order.
Did you grant his bond? I'm just trying to understand the facts.
Yes, sir. 2 years later, after the
You granted his bond?
When he initially appeared before me, I denied the bond. It was 2 years after that I granted a bond.
You did grant the bond
after the violation by the state of the court order to try his case and discovery rules.
And then he went out and tried to kill 2 sheriff's deputies while using a baby as a human shield, allegedly. Is that right?
Those are the allegations in the other case, yes.
Okay. Would he been able to do that if you hadn't let him go?
Thank you, Senator.
You're welcome.
When he appeared before me, I denied his bond. He appeared before me again, at which point.
And you let him go?
The state violated the order of the court.
But I'm just
and I said a sufficiently high
You let him
bond.
go. If you hadn't have let him go, then he could not have tried to kill 2 sheriff's deputies using a child as a human shield. Factually, is that correct?
I'm not sure, Senator.
Oh, I think you are.
Then, Kennedy brought up the Kelly Honeywell case. A bakery worker, murdered. The alleged shooter, Troy Stevenson, has a record a mile long, released again. Kennedy, you granted Mr. Stevenson bail, is that right? Judge Benjamin shot back. I did not set the bond in that murder case. The tension was real. So, here's what's at stake. Judges operate under strict laws, but Kennedy's grilling raises the question, where does legal procedure end and common sense start? Who's responsible when a released defendant commits new crimes, the judge or the system?
Let me ask you about Kelly Honeywell. You remember that name?
Senator, I did not have any involvement in that actual case, but I am familiar with what you're referring to.
Okay. You remember Troy Stevenson?
Yes.
All right. Troy Stevenson was arrested, allegedly, for shooting Kelly Honeywell, killing her, murdering her at a bakery. Mr. Honeywell was arrested. And Mr. Honeywell allegedly was a member of a gang. He owned guns and he did drugs. Okay? You granted Mr. Stevenson bail. Is that right?
I didn't, in that case, I did not set bail bond in that case when he was charged with murder.
You didn't let him go?
I did not set the bond on the murder charge.
Who did?
I don't know who's, one of my
How did he
colleagues.
get out of jail?
Are you asking about the murder charge?
What I'm asking, and I think you know what I'm asking, Mr. Stevenson allegedly was arrested for shooting this bakery worker in the head, and he was granted bail. He was let out. You didn't grant the bail?
No, sir.
Who did?
My understanding is his bond was denied in that case on the murder case. Mr. Stevenson, I believe, after trial, was found not guilty of those charges. But I did not set the bond on the murder case. I did not try the case on the murder case. I did not set the bond on the murder case.
Okay. I think I'm out of time. Thanks, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Let me know, was Kennedy right to press so hard, or was Judge Benjamin just following the rules? Hit subscribe, drop a comment, and stay tuned for more raw moments from the world of law and order. I'll catch you next time.